weight loss journey and difficulties we faced during this journey. Introduction. Hello everyone, it's your Barfi Wali here. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that many of us struggle with. Weight loss. Losing weight can be a daunting task, but with the right mindset, tools, and strategies, it is possible to achieve your weight loss goals. So, let's dive in. ACT 1. Understanding weight loss. Before we can start talking about how to lose weight, we need to understand what it means to lose weight. Simply put, weight loss occurs when you burn more calories than you consume. The key to losing weight is creating a calorie deficit, which means that you are consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. There are several ways to create a calorie deficit, including eating fewer calories, increasing physical activity, doing a combination of both. ACT 2. Setting realistic weight loss goals. One of the most important steps in achieving weight loss is setting realistic goals. It's important to remember that weight loss is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and patience to see results. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and frustration, which can ultimately derail your weight loss efforts. So, how do you set realistic weight loss goals? The first step is to determine your current weight and your desired weight. From there, you can use a calorie calculator to determine how many calories you need to consume each day to achieve your weight loss goal. It's important to remember that healthy weight loss is usually around 1 to 2 pounds per week. Anything more than that may not be sustainable and could lead to other health issues. ACT 3. Dietary changes. Now that we've covered the basics of weight loss, let's talk about how to actually achieve it. One of the most important factors in weight loss is your diet. Making healthy dietary changes can help you create a calorie deficit and achieve your weight loss goals. Some tips for making dietary changes include eating more fruits and vegetables, choosing lean protein sources, such as chicken, fish, and tofu, reducing your intake of processed foods and sugary drinks, drinking plenty of water, eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. It's important to remember that everyone's dietary needs are different, so it's important to find a diet that works for you and your lifestyle. ACT 4. Exercise. In addition to dietary changes, exercise is another important component of weight loss. Physical activity helps you burn calories and build muscle, which can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Some tips for incorporating exercise into your weight loss journey include starting slowly and gradually increasing your activity level, choosing activities that you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or dancing, finding a workout partner or joining a fitness class for accountability and motivation, incorporating strength training into your routine to build muscle. It's important to remember that even small amounts of exercise can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. ACT 5. Staying motivated. Weight loss can be a challenging journey, but staying motivated can help you stick with it and achieve your goals. Some tips for staying motivated include tracking your progress, such as using a food journal or tracking your workouts, celebrating small victories along the way, such as fitting into a smaller size or reaching a new fitness goal, surrounding yourself with a supportive network, such as friends and family who encourage and motivate you, reminding yourself of your why you started your weight loss journey and what motivates you to keep going. Conclusion. In conclusion, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, effort, and dedication.